So let's look at some useful phrases in the shop. In the shop. Things we can say inside the shop. So, I'm just browsing. I'm just looking. You enter the shop and the shop assistant comes up to you and asks, do you need help? Can I help? Anything you're looking for? Anything specific? And you say, no thank you. I'm just browsing, just looking around. Just looking. Nothing else. Just looking. Looking, browsing. Oh, okay. Do you have a... Do you have a pen? Do you have any pens? Any pens? Any pens like this? Any marker pens? Any pens? Do you have any shirts? Do you have the latest one? The oldest? Do you have the new one? The latest? The latest? Do you have the latest? The most recent one? Maybe, maybe not. But how many do you have? How many? How many? How many? Do you have any pens? Any pens for sale? Any pens? Do you have any pens? Yes, I have some here. How many pens do you have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pens. Whoop. 3 pens. Very good. Is there a discount? Maybe 10% off? Discount? No? Full price? £1? £1 each? £1? May I have 2 of those, please? Not bothered with the price. £1 is fine. 2, please. 3, 4. Here's 3, but I don't have a 4th one. May I have 2, please? Please, may I have 2 of those, please? May I have 2 of those, please? Please. 2, please. How cool is that? Or 3 or 4 or just 1. Or no thank you. 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 Where do I pay? Where? Where do I pay? Where? I've got the money. I have the money. Where do I pay? Where? Here? There? Over there? Don't know. And can I pay with credit card? I want to pay, but I got credit card only. Cha-ching, credit card. Can I pay with credit card? Can I pay with debit card? Credit, but debit. Can I pay with debit card? Yes, no, maybe. Can I pay with cash? Cash. Cash. I got the money in my hand. Cash. Who will say no to cash? I'm not sure, but you never know. Well, you never know. Yeah. So how cool is that? You enter the store. I'm just browsing. No, I'm just looking around. Just looking. Do you have a shirt? Do you have any suspenders? Do you have any pens? Where are the shirts? Do you have any pens? Yes, no, maybe. How many do you have? How many? How many? Is there a discount? Maybe. On sale? On sale, perhaps? May I have 2? 2 of those, please? Please? Where do I pay? Where do I pay? Where do I pay? Here? There? Where? And can I pay with credit card? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with debit card? Is it possible? Very good. Otherwise, no thank you. No thank you. Oh, no thank you. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep going.